So how many in the class now? So formal good morning to all of you. Karthik Rajput, Karthikeyan Sharma, Laksharaj, Rakesh Raika, Shaurya Dikshit and Tirthak. Fine. So let us start the class. So as you know that we have finished our course. Now we will be going for one by one, not only the revision, but also the practical aspects of the law which you have studied. So there may be interconnection, interrelationship between the various things which we will be just studying and which we will be observing now. So here are certain cases which I would like you to, discuss upon, and let us take it one by one so that we will be able to finish our work well on time. So here it is for you. So we will discuss. So this is from one of the very good book of Tejpal Seth from Pearson Education. So I'm just taking that book as such, and the exercises, a small caselets are given over here. So we will just see into it and we will discuss certain things, and this will actually develop a critical thinking with you, and not only critical thinking, the lateral thinking part will also be there. Okay, so whatever law we have studied, here is a discussion part of it, right? So we will be doing it uh, for the purpose of enhancing your knowledge and practical aspect of the law. Okay, so let me just take you further to the presentation. Yeah, so the first thing is partners of two banking firm, each having 6 partners, combined by an agreement into one firm. Is it a illegal association? Raise your hands. Is it a illegal association or is it a legal association? Come on, come on. Yes. Tirthak, how many
Yes.
partners are there in banking business firm? What can be the number of partners in a banking business firm? Yes.
Sir, sir, more than two and less than 50, sir.
Sorry.
More than two and less than 50.
How many partners can be there in a banking business firm?
More than two and less than 50, sir.
Sir, 20 maximum.
20 maximum is for what? 20 maximum is for
Banking,
normal
banking business.
general business, general business.
Uh, yes, sir, 10.
10, na?
Yeah.
So can they be the partners now?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because 6 plus 6 making 12.
Okay. So what will happen over here? It is an illegal association. Would we call this as an illegal association or what?
Yes, sir, we'll call it as illegal association.
Okay. So it will be an illegal association, right? Just yeah. Okay. So it's an illegal association. Why? Because as per section 11 of the Companies Act, when any partnership firm or any company or company having more than 10 members carry a business of banking without registration, partnership firm, not a company, okay, it is regarded as an illegal association. In the given case, two firms combine to form a new firm which consists of 12 members. So it's applicable only for the firm, not for the company, okay. Right. So next is Okay, so 20 individuals from an association to which each person contributes 1,000. The purpose is to distribute the foods free to the poor children. Is it a valid partnership? Gautam Godra, answer this. Sure, please note I will take name only twice and then afterwards please mark absent and
Okay,
put
sir.
it in the group so that I will be able to know that who is absent on which day.
Yes, sir.
Gautam Godra. Gautam Godra. Shaurya Dixit. Mark him absent.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Harshit Kumawat.
Yes, sir.
Harshit,
Yes, sir.
answer this question. Individuals from an association to which each person contributes 1,000. The purpose is to contribute the food free to poor children. Distribute the food free to poor children. Is it a valid partnership? Yes, Tirthak. You want to say something?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Why you are not muted then?
Sir, forgot it, sir. That's why.
Karthikeyan, you want to say something?
सर वही
Karthikeyan,
सर
yeah, answer
ये
this.
आंसर ही बोलना सर इट इज अ वैलिड पार्टनरशिप सर
It is a valid partnership.
यस सर
Well, tell me the reason.
So because from an association, like I guess there are two association, and in each association, 10 partners are allowed. So each partner is contributing 1,000 rupees to distribute free food to poor children. So I guess it's a valid partnership, sir.
Is it what will be the outcome of this partnership? Any profit, any losses, any continuation of business, anything? Don't just go on numbers.
No, sir. There's no
No, sir, it
profit
is
and
not.
Yes, yes, come on, come on. Yeah, who said?
Sir, Matang. Sir, Matang.
हाँ, Matang. Tell me, Matang.
वैलिड पार्टनरशिप नहीं होगी सर ये.
Why?
सर बस 20 इंडिविजुअल ने डिसाइड किया कि हम आएंगे वॉलंटरीली आगे 1000.
Speak in English.
यस सर.
Please speak in English.
Okay, sir. So in this 20 individual has decided voluntarily to come forward and contribute 1000 rupees.
Fine.
That's it, sir.
So there is a capital contribution, you can say. 1,000 rupees.
What, sir?
There is a capital. We can assume that this 1,000 can be the capital. Can we assume that?
sir, but it's like a
That I
charity
don't
only,
know.
no, sir.
Karthikeyan, you were previously saying that it is a partnership.
Yes, sir. It's a partnership.
It's a
It is a
partnership.
valid
You are
partnership,
going with what Matang is saying.
sir. But
Matang is saying it's
इसमें
not a
क्या
partnership.
Sir, but it's like a charity. Sir, it's like a charity in an association, and as all the association does charity. So I guess yes, it's a partnership, sir. All
But
and all the individuals are coming towards and contributing something for the poor children, and giving all the free food. So it's like yes, they can.
yeah, Matang, what's your opinion? Why you said it's not a partnership? Do you see any sharing of profits and losses over here? Matang,
No,
you
sir.
take some.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then
Sir, अभी आप ही आंसर खोल के दिखा दो, sir.
so what is this? Matang,
Yes, sir.
so both of you please decide and tell me.
सर मैं तो कह रहा हूँ नहीं है पार्टनरशिप.
Karthikeyan,
Sir,
what do you
I
think?
am saying it's a valid partnership, sir.
See, either you have both of you, I have to say in one quote. Either convince each other or
It's a valid partnership, sir. For me, it's a valid partnership.
you have to argue for it about this.
it's a valid partnership. It is. So because there is no profit and there is no loss. It's just about giving a charity. So yes, I guess it's a valid partnership, and all the individuals are coming forward to give 1,000 rupees for distribution of food to poor children. So I guess it's valid, sir.
Matang, guys, please go on section 4, the definition of partnership. See that in light of that, please just see it once again. You may Google it off. You may not be having the ready this section 4 of Indian Partnership Act. Just see that on Google and argue upon it. Come on, what is the definition of partnership? And match this situation with it.
Sir, it is not valid partnership because there is no sharing of profit and loss, sir.
Okay, so sharing of profit and loss, is it necessary for the partnership? So Karthikeyan, do you agree with this? Is it a partnership?
Sir, sir, in the end, sir. In the end, it's written partners, firms, and firms name persons who have entered into partnership with one another are called individually. So I guess, sir, it's an valid partnership, sir.
But where is the distribution? Where is the?
Sir, distribution of profit and loss are there when all the works are to be like distributed, sir, and all the profit and losses are there. So, but it's here asking about the charity and what the people are doing, all the individual are doing in the association. So, I guess it's a valid partnership, sir.
Matang,
Yes, sir.
what? Valid partnership? It's not a partnership. Essential elements is carrying on the business. Distributing of free food is not a business. Once you have distributed the free food, your 1,000 rupees is gone, and even there is
Exactly, sir.
no agreement of sharing profits. So it has to be a continuing business. I told you. So is this sharing food a business? Means just distribution of food. Is it a business?
Sir, no, sir, it's not a business,
No,
but it's about charity, sir. That's what I thought.
No, that is
charity, we
okay.
can't consider
Got it
charity
correctly.
in partnership.
Had this been something like that,
At
that
some point, yes, sir, I thought about it also. But
yeah.
then,
Tell me. Come on.
at
Very
some point, sir, I thought about it that charity is not a part of business. So I
Yeah,
guess
exactly.
Matang is correct.
Suppose, example, sir, we are a part of Manipal University organization.
Hmm.
Karthik come forward, Shaurya come forward, Rakesh, we voluntarily collected 1,000 rupees, but we cannot consider this as partnership
Very good.
because
Very good
we have,
example you have taken, because these type of activities Manipal keep on doing. Okay,
yeah,
and we have been contributing certain funds for this pandemic. Also, we have contributed certain funds from all the teachers and all, and we have given it to the government for revival of this pandemic. So this is not a partnership, na? So there is a
this is
see one
voluntary
Yes, sir.
basis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
there is
Understood.
one important thing of mutual agency that is not there over here. Just remember about the five test of partnership which I told you. So the most important test is the mutual agency. Is it there over here? Can one person by his act make others responsible? No. They have just contributed the funds, and I don't know, out of them one may be just taking the funds and getting the food prepared and distributing it to all. One of them acting for all. But the thing is that others, those who are others, can they bind this person by their activity? Somebody else has entered into some agreement somewhere, or somebody else has got this 1,000 rupees which they have contributed on credit. Okay, and the person who has brought this 1,000 rupees on credit now wants everyone else to pay their parts. Is it possible? I want everyone has contributed 1,000. from their pocket. But one person who was not able to contribute, he got it on credit. Now that person who has given this 1000 rupees on credit to this particular person who has bought it on credit out of these 20 members, he can he file a suit against any of them or all of them? Nahi na? That's why it is not a partnership. Got it? Matang? Karthikeyan?
Yes.
Yes, sir, got
Okay.
it.
Fine. So this is all, but this is what is needed in the class. And congratulations to both of you. You have done a very good discussion. So such type of discussion is needed in the class. Please come forward in future also, and others also, because these things
Sorry,
play.
sir, but
For
I
what?
didn't understand in I didn't understand that way. But yes, I got to
For
know now.
no need not to be. What is to be sorry? Karthikeyan, nothing is to be sorry for. You have understood that is a big achievement I got. Okay, and why you have understood it now in a proper way, because you have discussed it. That's why I'm appreciating both of you that you have discussed it very good. So such type of discussion is there. That's why I'm showing these are case analysis and these caselets to you. Okay.
I started like in between. I started thinking like in social way. So I guess I took it in a wrong way.
No,
So
no, no.
yes,
Actually, what the
Matang
thing.
is correct in that point.
Yeah, whatever is there, you will get many other chances to just think in the correct way. Now, the most important part of how to do the case analysis is just go on the definition which is provided. Even this analysis is also incomplete. Okay, which has been given over here. He has not talked about sharing of profit, nothing like that. Okay, just imagine certain things happening like Matang did. Okay, is it a partnership in that case? Okay, so that is the way for everyone, not only for you, Karthikeyan, it is for everyone, right? Thank you. Let us see for the next one. Okay, now see, A and B entered into an agreement to carry on a business of manufacturing and selling toys. Each of them contribute rupees 35 lakhs as their capital with the condition that A and B will share the profits equally. But the loss, if any, is to be borne by A alone. Referring to the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932, decide whether there exists a partnership between A and B or not. Yes. Manan Goyal. Manan Goyal.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Manan. Just see this case. I have just now read it for you. I hope you were attentive in the class at that time also. So you have please answer this. And guys, I told you to be with your videos from today and onwards, if you remember. So please on your videos, otherwise you will be marked absent from today and onwards. Everyone, switch on your videos. Yamanan, answer
Yes,
this.
sir.
Meanwhile, everyone switch on your videos. Get yourself prepared. I give you 5 minutes. And then you have to switch on your videos. Within 5 minutes, your videos must be on. Starting with your CR, Shaurya Dikshit. Yes, Matan. Is it a partnership?
Sir, it's a partnership.
It's a partnership?
Yes, sir.
How and why? Manan
So
Goyal.
because
So, Shaurya, you are answering. Where is your video, Shaurya?
so actually there's some issue with my webcam and laptop.
No issues. Just on your video. Let me see what issue is coming up.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, Shaurya, you just tell me your side.
Sir, like they have decided previously that we would be only sharing profit, not the loss. And like they like after the discussion only they are in the business. So it's a partnership.
Anyone else to counter this point? Is it a partnership? Karthik Rajput.
Yes, sir. It is a
Anand Goyal को
partnership,
absent
sir.
mark करना शौर्य.
Yes, sir.
हेमंत कुमार खटीक. हेमंत कुमार खटीक. Yes, Hemant, please tell me, is it a partnership? Come on.
Said
Yes, Hemant. Where is your video?
said there is network issue. That's why.
You put on your video. I will see what network issue is coming.
And, yes, sir.
Yeah, put your video on. What will happen? Lights will go. What else will happen? Just put it on. Yes. And answer this question also. Very good. Good, Hemant. Answer this question, Hemant. You can off your video now. Yes, Hemant. Answer this question.
Sir, it's partnership. I think.
It's a partnership. Shaurya,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
you have got one more person that along with you who is saying it's a partnership. Rakesh
Yes,
Raika.
sir.
Yes, sir. It
Is
is a
it a
partnership,
partnership,
sir.
Rakesh?
Yes, sir. LLP partnership, sir. A limited liable partner because he's only liable for the sharing of profits, not the
Yes,
losses.
there is a partnership between A and B because there can be the agreement for sharing the sharing the profits and not for sharing the losses. So it totally depends upon the mutual agreement between the partners, what they want to do or how they want to go with. So it's a terms and conditions, or you can say it's a terms of a partnership deed that any person who is a who may be bearing the losses or it may happen somebody has you have entered someone in the partnership for the sake of only for the profits. So it's for sure a partnership, and the real test of partnership is a mutual agency which is present between A and B. There is possibility partner agree not to share the losses, but the true test of partnership, as I told you, is a mutual agency, and it comprises of all other elements of partnership. Very good, all of you. Okay, but you should have told this. You have not told this exactly. Shaurya has tried to do this, but you should tell this further. Anyways, so let us just proceed further. Laksharaj Singh. Laksharaj Singh. Are you there, Laksharaj? Mark absent to both the Laksharaj. Nandini Khandelwal.
Yes, sir.
Nandini Khandelwal. Nandini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nandini.
Yes, sir.
A is employed with the partnership firm, entitled to remuneration of 5,000 per month plus 7% of the profits of the firm. If the profit exceed 1 lakh, is he the partner of the firm? If so, what kind of partner he is? First of all, is he the partner of the firm? Yes, Nandini. Nandini, what about your video? You also have network issues?
No, sir.
Then on your video then. Yes, come on. Good. Gayab, fine. So What will happen over here? Is he the partner of the firm? Come on, come on. See, he is employed in the partnership firm, entitled to remuneration 5,000 per month. I told you he can, a person who is, suppose for example, a person is doing accounts. So he can be employed by the firm as such. And he is sharing profits also of the firm if the profit exceeds rupees 1 lakh. Okay. And up till 1 lakh, there will be no profit sharing. But if it goes beyond 1 lakh, then there will be a profit sharing. It means he is one of the partner of the firm. Okay. So what type of partner he is? He is an active partner rather. He is not a partner. How come? He is a partner. Why? Let me just see what is this. He, an employee of the firm who share profits of the firm, is not a partner as the rule of the mutual agency is not observed. The sharing of profit is not conclusive test. This is wrong. Why? Because here you see he is partner because he has to bring the profits up to 1 lakh rupees. A partner who is working and he may be employed for the purpose of suppose for example marketing. He has been given a charge for doing the marketing of the partnership firm, and he has been given a target that if you will bring the this profits up to 1 lakh, you will get a share of 7% also. So that is also one of the conditions. So he will be the partner, and because he is having a profit of 7%, number one, profit sharing is there. Now while he will be, there is nothing mentioned over here that he cannot, he is not binding the firm, which is being said over here, them that mutual agency is not there. So each and every act whatever he will be doing will be, the firm will be bound by it. Okay. And he is also entitled to remuneration. Why? Because he is a partner who is there for the remuneration. Why? Because he is having some special skills and firm has actually taken him for that particular skills. And but that skills will be endorsed only if the profit reaches 1 lakh. So other partners are dependent on him. So he may be the active partner of the firm rather, who will be doing the business for the firm on the behalf of all other partners and bring it to that level of 1 lakh. All other partners might have contributed only the profits in only the capitals in the firm, and the charge might have been given to him in order to proceed further. And this regarding his employment, this is a condition which he has taken up, that I will take a fixed remuneration of rupees 5,000 because I will be doing this thing which no one else of the partners are doing. So any argument or any doubt, because this is given wrong in this? Any argument, any doubt from any one of you? Is it clear to everyone? Shaurya? Nandini? Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Nandini, are you clear about
Yes,
this?
sir.
You
Yes,
got
sir.
it? Why I'm saying so?
Yes, sir.
He's the active partner. So next is Parth Narendra Bhai. Parth, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Parth. So this question is for you. A and B jointly purchase a factory. They purchase the equipment and other things contributing equally. They lent out the factory and shared the rent equally. Is it a partnership? Or if it is not a partnership, what it is?
Sir, it is not a partnership, sir, because
Why?
there is not a mention of partnership deed, sir.
Okay, so it is. This is what you say is it is not a partnership at all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why so? Why so?
Because there is no such thing like mention in partnership deed, sir.
Partnership deed is this only, that they jointly purchase a factory, they purchase the equipment and other things. Partners also do that. Okay, so they lent out the factory and shared the rent equally.
Sir, but the ratio is not given, sir.
Let us assume the ratio is equal. Is this a partnership? Then
Sir, yes, sir.
okay. Anyone else? Thank you, Parth. Very good. You have argued, but keep on listening. Parth, I will get back to you.
Okay, sir.
Come on. Anyone else? Sandeep Singh Bhati, what do you say? Is it a partnership? Sandeep Singh Bhati. Sorry, Mark absent. Yeah. Yes, Sandeep. Is it a partnership? Tell me. Sandeep Singh Bhati.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it a partnership?
Give me a second.
What you were doing before while I was reading this. A and B jointly purchase a factory. They purchase the equipment and other things also contributing equally. They lent out lent out the factory or rent out the factory and share the rent equally. Okay, is it a
Yes, sir.
partnership?
Yes, sir. It is a partnership.
Why?
Sir, because they share everything in equal
Huh?
amount. Sir, because they share everything in equally.
They
Sir, because they share everything equally.
they are sharing profit equally.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is a partnership.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Soumya Deepa. Sandeep, where is your video?
Yes, sir.
Where is your video?
Sir, sir, we do.
Switch it on.
So,
Soumya Deepa. Soumya Deepa Saha.
Yes.
Yes. Is it a partnership, Soumya Deepa? On your video first. Come on. Soumya Deepa, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. So answer this. Why you are switching off your mic also again and again?
Sir, it's not switching happening here. And today network issues going.
You are frequently pushing the button. That's why it is happening.
No, sir. No, it's been going down. It's like switching off. I'm again all coming
Yeah, yeah.
online
Keep it
in
on now.
class. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Answer this question.
Sir, it's a partnership.
Is it a partnership? Why?
Joint purchase.
Hmm?
Sir, like AB has joined purchase factory and they both purchase also equipment, so they're contributing equally, so they are partners. Because in partnership, two or more people should be there, so there are two people are there, and that's why.
There is no partnership actually, Soumyadeepa. Mutual agency between partnership is the real test which is absent. Further, they are joint owners. They are not partners. They are joint owners. They have having the
sir.
ownership of the factory and now they have let it out, and they are sharing the rent equally. So there is no ongoing business. There is no business going on, no purchasing, no selling, no transaction except taking rent. That will not make them a partner. They are the co-owners. They are the co-owners out of which they are getting the rent. Okay. If they will sell this business off, what will happen? If there will be any profits, both will be sharing equally. If there will be any losses, both will be sharing equally. But that will not make them a partner. They are the co-owners. Rohan Modi. Rohan Modi. Rohan Modi. Rakesh Raika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is for you. A and B agreed to act together in one movie and share the profits of the film with producer of the film. Is it a partnership?
No, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir. It is not a partnership.
Show your video.
Sir, I don't have a camera in my laptop, sir.
What?
The camera is not working, sir.
Camera is
It is.
not working.
Yeah, sir.
So make your camera work by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'll repair it today, sir. No worries.
Yeah. So tell me, is it a partnership?
Yes, sir. It is a partnership because they're gonna earn money by the movie, right? So they're gonna share all the profits which they earn by the movie.
Okay.
So it is a partnership.
Tirthak bhai,
Yes, sir.
is it a partnership?
No, sir.
Why? Rakesh is saying it's a partnership.
सर इस प्रॉफिट शेयर की बात की है सर, अगर लॉस हुआ तो
Sir, but sir,
गुजराती केवल
it's a
प्रॉफिट
part.
शेयरिंग की बात ही करते हैं क्या हमेशा?
Sir, but it's a partnership.
Is it a partnership or not? Karthikeyan, just
Yes.
wait. Rakesh is saying it's. Rakesh, you said it's not a partnership.
Sir, I told it is a partnership because they have
You told
agreed.
it's a partnership. Yes, Tirthak bhai, you also said it's a partnership.
No, sir. I said no, sir. It's not partnership, sir.
Then what it is?
सर ये तो सिर्फ एक मूवी की बात की ना सर, अगर
हाँ,
पार्टनर होते तो
ये
हर
बात
मूवी
देखो, mutual agency is a real and final test of partnership. Sharing profits or working together is not a real test of partnership. When two persons act together in a movie, they do not become a partner unless mutual agency is there. Sharing of profit do not indicate any partnership. They are not partners at all. Okay, because एक ही movie की बात अभी तीर्थक ने जो बोला ना, that is really correct. That this is just concerned about just one movie, and what will happen after that movie? After that movie, both of them are at their ways. So it's not a partnership, it's a joint venture. Movie is a joint venture along with the producer. Okay. So that is just for one movie they are together. It's not a partnership. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let me just ask this to Rahul Javaria.
Yes, sir.
अभी अभी enter किए क्या?
No, sir.
You were there before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So show your video.
No, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Good, good, good. Looking good.
Thank you, sir.
Answer this now. A and B enter into an agreement preparing Ahmedabad to Bombay Express Highway. Okay. Is this arrangement and partnership?
No, I think it's not, sir.
Why so?
So, because we agreement for preparing. So, because they are preparing for Ahmedabad to Bombay Express Highway, I think it's not a partnership act.
Why? Tell me the reason.
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Just apply the rules of the partnership which I told you before.
So, because the partnership rules are not matching with this.
What rule is not matching?
So they
Karthikeyan,
are not.
Karthikeyan, would you like to highlight something on this?
सर ये पार्टनरशिप है सर, क्योंकि दोनों एग्रीमेंट में घुसे हुए हैं और अहमदाबाद टू बॉम्बे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे बना रहे हैं. सो इट्स सिंपल सर, क्योंकि दोनों ने एग्रीमेंट साइन अप किया है एंड ए एंड बी आर entering into an agreement to make an express highway for Ahmedabad to Bombay. So I guess it's a partnership, sir, because both the profit and loss to be shared.
Mutual agency कहाँ है भाई?
Oh yes, sir. Mutual agency डालना भूल गया.
फिर mutual agency नहीं है. Secondly, they are together only for one venture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what Rahul was saying was correct. It is not a partnership. It's not matching with that because the mutual agency is not there. Only for, just now I told you, only for one venture it is there. अभी तीर्थक भी बोला था only for one venture, no problem. Okay, so it's not a partnership. Anyways, so rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. So, okay, so let me take the attendance. So any problem if you want to ask me or anything, how many of you will be available to me on Monday on your videos? Raise your hands. Because now the discussion will happen. So everyone, whatsoever problem you have with your laptop, Laksharaj Singh. So Laksharaj Singh, where you were today, you have been marked absent. Laksharaj, you were marked absent today. You were not there in the class. I called your name 3 times.
Sir, I was there. Actually, I joined late.
Sorry?
Sir, I joined late.
No, at that time you were there. When I called your name, both the Laksharaj were there. A Laksharaj Singh, what is the difference between these two people?
Sir, registration number.
The name is same. Anyways, fine. So anyone else who promises me to just be in the class with their video tomorrow, and if you are not, I will mark you absent all, because now discussion will happen. Whenever the discussion will happen, whenever I call your name, you must be present. Rest of the time you may put it off, no problem. And if you keep on for the whole of the class, no problem at all. Then also, okay. So when I will be asking any question to you, your video must be on. Is that okay? Very good lecture. Put down your hand. Yeah, any problem in just making your video on? Please tell me. When the school students can keep their video on all the time, why not you people? You are more responsible as compared to them, and let's have a good discussion. Let's have a good interaction. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes,
Say
sir.
yes or no. Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine then. So let me take the attendance now. Harshit Kumawat, Hemant Kumar
Present,
Khatri,
sir.
Kartik Rajput, Kartikeyan Sharma, Laksharaj
Yes,
Singh,
sir.
Manan Goyal, Matang Sharma, Nandini Khandelwal, Parth Narendra Bhai, Pushpender Pal, Rahul Javaria,
Present,
Rakesh
sir.
Naika, Rohan Modi, Sandeep Singh
Present, sir.
Bhatki, Shaurya Dikshit, Soumya Deepa, and Tirthak
Present,
Bhai.
sir.
Yeah. Fine.
Present,
So,
sir.
thank you, and have a nice day to all of you.
Same to you,
Okay.
sir.
Take care. Yeah. Bye-bye.